Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to switch players on the Sleeper application. Whether you're managing your fantasy football lineup or need to make last minute adjustments, this is a simple process. Let's dive in. First things first, open the Sleeper application on your mobile phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the league where you want to switch players. This is usually done by selecting the league from your dashboard. Now what you'll have to do is simply scroll through your roster and find the player you want to switch. Tap on their name to bring up their options. Once you tap on the player name, you will see an option to either swap them with another player or move them to the bench. If you are switching them out for another player, simply tap on the swap or bench button. Then choose the player you want to replace them with, and after selecting your new player, make sure to confirm the change. You should now see the player switched out in your active lineup. And that's it. You have successfully switched players on the Sleeper application. It's a quick and easy way to manage your fantasy team during game weeks. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.